Welcome to Blue Hand Reviews, everybody. We're going to be working on a blower motor, the 2001 Amg S55 Mercedes-Benz. We've got a man down, the blower motor's out, ain't going to come back on again, and we got to get it fixed. It's not been too bad. I've put it off a little bit. This time of year, it's quite comfortable to have the windows down, but starting to be that time where it's going to get cooler and going to have fog in the morning, driving to work, and that blower motor is going to be needed then to warm things up. So I'm going to walk you through it. I'm going to show you some stuff up under the dash. It's going to be quite difficult to get good video of that, but I'll do the best that I can. It's really not a hard job, folks. If you're at all mechanically inclined, you can do this. It's a little bit, I don't know what the word is, hard to get down in there, in that floorboard, run that seat all the way back, and give yourself as much room as possible. It's just a little tricky there, especially if you're up in age like myself. So it's really not a hard job. I'll walk you through each part. I'll tell you what I know, and then there'll be a video at the end. Kind of wrap it all up. So hang with me, folks. If the video is not great underneath that dash, forgive me for it. We're doing the best we can. Well, hello everybody. We're up underneath the glove box on the passenger side, and we're going to need to remove a few screws. So it kind of slipped together here, as you can see. Come out this way, and you're going to find the glove box. So down below the glove box, and you'll see a screw there. We've got one over here. Looks like somebody's been in here before. It wasn't me. So this may have been done before and put back together haphazardly. So we'll see what we got. So what we're gonna do is take this out and get up in here, and then we'll get some more video. I also want to show about this light. So basically, to get past this point, you want to flip this light out. And then, as you can see, right here, as you can see, has a connector, and you can disconnect it. So that'll keep you from running your light. Alright, so over here, closest to the outside wall, underneath the glove box, in the passenger seat floorboard, what we need to get into is this area right here. Okay, you can see over here, but we need to get into this area right here to get to the blower motor. Alright. Basically, we've got the old blower motor here, and we've got the new blower motor here, and they tend to be the same to me. Turn them over this way, turn this one over this way, and this regulator here was mounted right here. I've already changed it over to the new one. And everything checks out, it's the same. So, thumbs up on that deal. The screws here 3, and 4. Screws here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. One of them's a little tricky to get to, but it's done with a small ratchet and the 220 Torx bit. So that's a 220. So we're going to go ahead and give it a test, make sure it's working. Hey folks, welcome to Blue Hand Reviews. This is more of our how-to on replacing the blower motor in a 2001 Amg S55 Mercedes-Benz. And this is the blower motor that I took out. Right here would have been where the regulator is that controls when the blower needs to run and how fast it needs to run. It regulates all that automatically. And this is the old blower motor. So as you can see, the blower motor doesn't really spin too freely, right? And that's because of the problem. The motor wore out. So when I ordered the part, I purposely didn't order the regulator. One, because of cost, and two, it was my estimation, by the way this blower motor was acting before it completely stopped. It would work sometimes, and then sometimes it wouldn't. And to me, it made common sense that the regulator was probably okay, right? And so I took the chance. It could have been that I would have had to wait, order a new regulator, and put it on, and go about it that way. But I felt pretty confident in the fact of the way it acted. It would work sometimes, and sometimes it wouldn't. Sometimes I hit a bump, and it would come on. And so, you know, that just told me that it was okay with the regulator. Alright? So that kind of wraps this video up, folks. The new one's in, the regulator was fine, everything went well, everything buttoned back up. It's not a hard job. It's a little cramp getting down there in the floorboard, yes. And you want to make sure you're not going to get anything in your eyes. Always wear protective equipment, even though I often don't do it. That by no means is me endorsing you not doing it. Alright, folks? So like, share, comment, and subscribe. Those things are important for the channel. We want to grow. We want to bring more things to you. We're doing the best we can. Parts and products cost money. And if we're not fortunate enough to get them for free from the manufacturers or the retailers, we do have to buy them. So like I said, like, comment, share, and subscribe. That'll help us a bunch, folks. Subscribe. You know you like it, right? You know you like it. Come on, folks. Alright, we'll catch you on the next video. Matter of fact, I'm going to show you. This is something I'm really looking forward to. It's an RC radio controlled boat. I need to get it out to the park, charge it up, and put it on the pond and have a little fun with it. Hey, who even knows, man? Maybe we can put something on there and try to catch a fish with it. Huh? Who knows? Alright, like, comment, share, and subscribe, folks.